Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the new H-35, Opticon's new Android mobile device. And when you order the H-35, you will receive this box. And when we open it up, we are first greeted by the H-35 itself in a protective plastic sleeve. And this is the H-35. If we take the protective foam out of the box, we have the quick start guide, the USB data and charging cable, USB-C for the end that connects to the H-35, and a USB-A plug for your PC or charger. It comes with a wrist strap that you can attach to the bottom of the device. And it comes with an easily removable battery. And in order to get started with the H-35, we will first need to install this battery. So we first turn the unit upside down. There are two locks just beneath the camera. We slide them both up. We can place our fingers in the recesses on the side, lift up the battery cover and place it aside. Now, in the battery compartment is also the place where you can install your SIM card and an optional micro SD card for extra memory. Here are 5 pins on the battery. Look for the 5 points on your battery itself. Then we push them together, place the battery in the compartment. Then we put the lid back on, starting at the bottom. 2 little feet here that slide into this opening. We close it and then the lock bits go back down and the unit is closed. Now let's take a look at the device itself. And here at the top is the integrated Opticon scan module. This is our latest scan module, the MDI 5300. It is a 1 megapixel CMOS sensor. It has a high frame rate of 120 frames per second, and it can scan 1D, 2D and OCR text font codes. It has been optimized so it can read damaged codes, curved ones, poorly printed ones, and all at an extremely high speed. If we move to the side, we have the on-off button, an action button, and a yellow scan button. This scan button is also available on the other side, and you can push down either to start scanning. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed, scan with the index or scan with the thumb, you can use them all on this device. And also on this side are the volume down and volume up keys. At the bottom of the unit we have the USB-C charging port and data port, and beneath that is the attachment point for your wrist strap. If we go to the back of the unit, we have the battery lid that we just covered. There is a 13 megapixel rear facing camera with an illumination LED. This is also the place where your NFC scanner's sweet spot is. This is the unit with 1 camera on board. We also have multi-camera 3-camera version, and with this one you have the optional ability to, for instance, measure the size of packages in front of it. And looking at the front of the unit, this is a 5.5-inch Full HD screen. It's made with Gorilla Glass, which protects it from shattering or scratches. On top of the screen is the speaker, and below it is the microphone. So now let's turn on the device and get started with scanning. Like I said, it runs on Android 11 and it works like any other Android device that you're used to, except that it has a MDI 5300 scan engine from Opticon with high scan optimization. So I can take a product with a barcode and I can scan it, and it's easy as that. And that concludes the unboxing and quick start of the H-35. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in more details about the H-35, please visit opticon.com or contact your Opticon sales representative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.